Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to update your iPad mini 2 to iOS 16 or higher if you want to. So there are two ways of doing that. The first one is to use the Alt Phone iOS System Repair, which is a third-party app that will let you recover data if you want to, or even better, update your system. So I will show you how to do this right now, and I will show you the other way, which doesn't need a third-party app. So to use the Altphone iOS system repair, you will just have to download it on your computer and then connect your iPad with a USB cable. Next, open the app and then click on Start the iOS system repair. Choose the standard repair. This will ensure that your data is not corrupted or lost during the transfer or the process. And then click on Start Standard Repair again and wait for it a few seconds or a few minutes to download the software on your iPad. And then if you open your iPad again, you will see that the iPadOS version is at 16.1. Now, another way you can do that is to just go to the iTunes. You can download it on the Microsoft Store and then connect your iPad with a USB cable again and open the iTunes app on your desktop while the iPad is connected, of course. And then choose your iPad on the iTunes app and then go to update. And sometimes you will see the iPadOS 16.1 and sometimes it is not available. That's why I showed you the Altphone iOS system repair. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.